Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and discuss how to wash glassware for lab use. So clean glassware is really important when it comes to chemistry because if we have dirty glassware it can affect the results. Best case scenario if we are using dirty glassware, things just won't work well. But if we're using dirty glassware, sometimes the reaction won't go as planned or we can have something dangerous happen. So it's really important that we have clean glassware. It's going to give us better results and it's also going to help keep us safer. So there's a few different steps to washing glassware. The first thing that we want to keep in mind is we want to wash the glassware as soon as possible after use. Even if you can't do a thorough washing, try and rinse things out right away. This way we don't get those permanent stains that we can't get out of our glassware. Otherwise, the next thing we want to do is make sure that our glassware is wet with water, so just kind of rinse it off, and then we're going to spray on the glass soap, which is different from the hand soap, so make sure you're using the glass soap in the spray bottles. Then using that test tube scrub brush, we're going to go ahead and thoroughly scrub all parts of the glassware, so inside and the outside of the glassware. And we want to be careful not to scratch the glassware, so make sure you're using the bristles, not that metal part, creating scratches. Because when we scratch glassware, it can be more likely to trap chemicals in the future, and it can also break along those scratch lines. The fourth step is we want to rinse our glassware thoroughly with tap water, so just water from the sink, and make sure we remove any soapy residue so that it's completely free of all soap and the other gunky stuff that we were rinsing off to begin with. And then we want to rinse our glassware with deionized water. Okay, so that's also abbreviated DI water, and that is also in the spray bottles or the wash bottles. So the final step is we want to let our glassware air dry. So when we use things like paper towels, that can also leave little fragments of paper behind. So the best option is just to go ahead and let things air dry as much as possible. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions on how to wash glassware, please let me know. Otherwise, go ahead and try this out for yourself in the back of the classroom. Bye.